If you want to do business in Facebook or Instagram, so you must need a Facebook page, Instagram, a professional account. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to create a Facebook page professionally for your business. If you want to do marketing on Facebook or advertising on Facebook, you have to create a Facebook page first, then you have to create a Facebook business manager and then a Facebook ad account. Then you can run ads for your business in Facebook. Okay, so first of all you have to click on the plus icon and then you have to click on page, then you have to input your page name. So suppose your page name it's your business name actually. So suppose your business name is Samuel, you go like it's my business name. Then what's my business category? Okay, I can say the category is like let's say web, well it will be web designer. Okay, then if you want you can add more than one category. So I don't want to add more, so only web designer is enough for my business category. Okay, then you have to add description about your business. So suppose I'm typing my description, and one recommendation for you: when you will type your description or when you will write your description, please try to add your business name here. So it will be at SEO optimized. Once someone searches on Facebook about your business name, so that your Facebook page will rank here in first page or the first second position. Okay, also in Google. So I'm typing this is the description, and now you have to click on create page. Okay, oh okay, it seems like it looks like you already manage a page named Samuel.com. So I already have a page with my name, so I have to change a little, like I want to add it digital. Okay, Samuel Digital, then web designer, and I want to say marketing agency or advertising agency. Okay, also I can add advertising marketing. So advertising marketing. Now I am going to click on create page. Okay, the page is already created, and now you have to add your logo and your cover photo. Okay, so if you already have a business logo, then you will upload it here. Okay, so I'm uploading a demo logo. So or if you don't have any logo, then you can create it from Canva, or you can create it from Adobe Illustrator. Or if you don't know how to create a logo, then you can hire someone from Fiverr, you can hire someone from Upwork, or you can hire someone from anywhere. So you will get a professional design. Okay, so if you are not a professional, so I will suggest you hire a professional logo designer for your business logo design. Okay, because it's your identity on online. I will create a logo simply, okay, from my Canva Premium. Okay, just I'm going to Canva. Here is my Canva account. First time you have to create an account here, and then you can search logo here. So if you search logo here, you will get so many templates here. Okay, you will get some navigation here, like a minimalist logo, a modal logo, simple logo. So let's see minimalist logo. Okay, we can also search here our as our business. Okay, so suppose it's our web design logo. Okay, web designer company. So we can say web designer logo. Let's see logo. Okay, we can use which one? Okay, it looks good to me, so we can use this template because it's similar as my business name and my business company, so we can use this. So I'm going to type the business name, or I can copy from here directly. Okay, this is my logo. Now I have to download it, so I have to click on share, then I have to click on download, and I can fix the resolution from here or size. But if you this is my premium account, that's why I can change it. But if you use free plan, then you will not get this option to change the size. Okay, so you will get only the basic size. Okay, so I am going to increase the size, and then I can, if I want to change the format, I can, but I don't want to change PNGs. Okay, that's fine. Just click on download. It's downloading. Okay, it's already downloaded. So now I will upload it on Facebook. This is profile photo. So here is my logo. Okay, now I have to add cover photo. So now I will design a cover photo. So you have to search here, web designer, Facebook cover. You will get so many templates here, 17,000. Okay, you can use this one. It looks really good. Okay, just I will change this name here. Then I will change it to web Shopify expert and digital marketing agency. Shopify dropshipping. Shopify dropshipping and digital marketing agency. Okay, it's fine. So if you want, you can add your logo here. So I'm going to add my logo. Just click on upload media, then select your logo and click on it. Just resize it and add it here or anywhere where it will suit better. Okay, I think the position is fine, so I'm going to save it. 1.5 resolution, it's fine. Download. Okay, my cover photo downloaded, so now I will upload it in my Facebook page. This is our page. Okay,